Self-control, the key to personal cultivation. In many contexts, we hear the emphasis on a person's cultivation. However, how do we explain a person's cultivation? Essentially, the most important aspect of cultivation is the ability to self-control. Especially for young people, they often only understand how to express their emotions or attempt to control others, without understanding how to control themselves. Young people are in the early stages of society, and in the face of complex social environments, they may struggle to adapt and grasp the importance of self-control. This lack of self-control may manifest in their excessive pursuit of freedom and indulgence, while neglecting to restrain their own behavior. As a result, they may face conflicts in interactions with others or create unnecessary trouble for themselves. To adapt and thrive in this society, one must first achieve self-control. This self-control is essential and unconditional. Self-control not only restricts one's behavior but also protects one from negative influences in complex social environments. If none of us can control ourselves, what would society become? Social order might be challenged, and interpersonal relationships could become more strained. In such an environment, personal well-being and social stability would be at risk. Any country's laws and policies would not permit this loss of control to occur. Therefore, self-control should be one of the most important aspects of everyone's cultivation. It not only helps individuals survive and thrive in society but also plays a significant role in maintaining societal stability. For each person, learning how to practice self-control is essential. By mastering this key ability, we can better adapt to and thrive in society, avoiding negative consequences from lack of control. Self-control not only allows us to navigate personal and professional life more comfortably but also helps us establish more harmonious relationships with others. In conclusion, self-control is not only at the core of personal cultivation, but it is also a crucial foundation for maintaining social order. It is a skill that enables people to remain stable and harmonious in a complex and challenging social environment. In society today, people frequently face challenges and temptations from various directions. If we lack self-control, we may fall into various issues. Problems such as excessive spending, loss of emotional control, and interpersonal conflicts all stem from a lack of self-control. Moreover, self-control is also related to morality and ethics. It helps us act within moral and ethical frameworks, avoiding immoral paths. Self-control allows us to adhere to our principles, maintain clear thinking, and make wise decisions in various situations. In professional careers, self-control is also key. It allows us to focus more on work without being distracted by irrelevant matters. It helps us set clear goals and work hard to achieve them through proper planning and effort. This ability can also enhance our work efficiency, helping us stand out in a competitive workplace. In personal relationships, self-control enables us to establish stronger connections with others. It helps us manage our emotions, avoiding harm to others due to impulsive actions. This ability also allows us to listen better, respect others' views, and build more harmonious relationships. Self-control not only affects individual development and success but also has a positive impact on society as a whole. A society with individuals who possess self-control is harmonious and stable. It can reduce social conflicts and elevate the overall moral standards of society. We must recognize that self-control is a skill that requires continuous cultivation and practice. Through learning and experience, we can gradually improve our ability to self-control. This ability not only allows us to navigate personal and professional life more easily but also helps us approach life's sea. challenges with calmness and rationality. In summary, self-control is a crucial part of personal cultivation. It plays a pivotal role in an individual's growth and development and is also critical to the harmony and stability of society as a whole. We should recognize the importance of self-control and strive to develop this ability. Are you ready to master this key ability of self-control? Are you willing to make such efforts for your own and the society's harmony and stability? Your answer will determine your position in this society and whether you can maintain composure and harmony in complex environments.